Hi guys, so it's another vlog today and I'm at Comic-Con. I'm so happy because I missed the last one. Got my headband on. If you know about it, make sure you like this video. Comment down below if you know where this is from. And I'm super happy because I missed the last Comic-Con, and yeah, we're gonna go inside. Hopefully I'm gonna get some takoyaki, some pumpkin koroke. I hopefully will get a katana, I'm not sure, but we'll see what happens. I'm so excited to see like the costumes and stuff. Also, yes, I do have Prozzies headphones in. Make sure you get yours using my discount code Food with Dom. Okay? See you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so we can't see anything extravagant yet. We see a chicken head there. But woo, this is so exciting. Yes, girl. Look it up. Cute. She looks like that too. Is that I don't know who that is. Bella? I don't know. Someone Cinderella. I'm not sure. Is it Cinderella? I'm not too sure. Is it the girl from Frozen? I don't know who that is, guys. I'm not good with character names. Okay. Okay, so this is my favorite part where all the food is. I'm about to try to get maybe one of everything, and luckily I have my friend with me here, so he's gonna eat everything that we can't finish. Yay! This is why it's good to take friends with you when you go to eat, because they'll finish it for you. I really want takoyaki, like that's in my head, so I might have to go find the takoyaki immediately. I think I'm probably gonna get some pumpkin koroke, katsu, takoyaki, all of that. Some dumplings and buns. Oh, and then sweet treats over here. Let's see what this man is making. It's a waffle cone, I think. Thank you. And we also have we also have the koroke and the takoyaki. Oh, that's for you as well? Yeah. Got all of this. I have pumpkin koroke, katsu, takoyaki, and yeah, I don't know.
Two jumbo sets for myself.
Yeah, alright, let me go to the cutlery. Sorry. Okay, it's okay. That was mine. All of this. Oh, I love Japanese food. Okay, so I've had this often. I'm not used to it. However, for the sake of the video, I'm going to film it. So let's try it. The pumpkin croquet, which is my favorite thing. Okay. You have this? It's good. It's really good. Takoyaki. Okay. It's so good. Okay. Tonkatsu. Nice and crispy. It's so good, guys. I'm putting my phone down because I'm hungry. Bye.